Are you unsure about essay structures in Ielts writing? Today, we'll break down cause and solution essays. By the end, you will impress examiners with your layout. In Ielts writing, you often encounter various essay types. One common type is the cause and solution essay. This essay examines a problem, its causes, and suggests solutions. Understanding this format will enhance your writing skills. Let's go through the layout step by step. The essay consists of 4 main parts: introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Each has a distinct purpose to help convey your ideas clearly. Start with the introduction. Here, introduce the issue clearly. State its significance. Next, the body is crucial. Divide it into 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph discusses the causes. List potential causes related to the problem. Use clear examples to illustrate each point. The second body paragraph focuses on solutions. Suggest practical solutions to address the problem. Ensure your solutions are realistic and actionable. Provide examples for clarity. Finally, wrap up with a conclusion. Summarize the main causes and solutions. Reiterate the importance of addressing this issue. This leaves a lasting impression on the examiner. For example, imagine you're writing about climate change. In your introduction, highlight its impact on the environment. In the first body paragraph, discuss causes like industrial pollution. In the second, suggest solutions such as renewable energy sources. Summarize everything in your conclusion. Following this format will guide the reader through your essay logically. Ready to master Ielts writing? Join our Transform Academy course for comprehensive guidance. Click the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.